Not started. Click the button. The red and green lights will flash simultaneously. Once start record, press and hold the device key for 5 seconds. After the startup is successful, the green light blinks for 5 consecutive times. Factory default parameter, startup delay 30 minutes. In startup delay, click the button and the traffic light flashes once alternately. Data is normal. The green LED light flashes once every 10 seconds. Data overrun. The red LED light flashes once every 10 seconds, or when a button is clicked, the red light flashes once. Stop recording. Press and hold the button for about 5 seconds, and the red light will flash continuously 5 times. Data is normal after stopping. Click the button, the green light flashes continuously twice. Data exceeded after stopping. Click the button, the red light flashes continuously twice. Then need to connect the device to the computer. Identify the drive letter of the device. View data report. If you need to filter reports or more, you can download reports on the software side. Double-click the installation file to install ELITechLog software. Click Next and receive the agreement to install. Then go back to the desktop. Double-click to open ELITechLog. If double-click fails to open, can right-click the mouse. Select Run as Administrator. Then need to connect the device to the computer. Software Automatic Identification Device. Upload data into software. Don't do anything during the upload. Waiting to complete. If not uploaded successfully, click the Reload Data button on the left to upload again. After successful upload, click the Export Data button below. If want to choose a time to record data, click the Filter Data button on lower right corner. And choose the format want to export. Open the downloaded documents. View device information, data, charts and details. Red data is the data exceeding the upper limit temperature. Blue data are data that exceed the lower limit temperature. If need to view previously exported data, click the database button above. Find the corresponding data according to the model, data name, etc., and then double-click to display the data graph and list. Click on the Export Data button below. Post shadow data, device misoperations cause early end of records. Click the Shadow Data button. Software automatically identifies shadow data. Click on the Export Data button below. RC-17N data reports can be downloaded in the App Store. Search ELITech iCold software. Install and open the app. Select NFC temperature tag. Turn on NFC on the phone. The device is attached to the NFC area. App recognition device. Download report. View the report. The report only shows an overview, no specific data.